perfect boat weather, yes?
Well, we finally made it out onto the water. We didn't think we were going to be able to get out today. It was gloomy and gross, but the weather forecast did say that it was going to clear up in the afternoon, and lo and behold, it did. It is 3:15 p.m. and we finally got out on the boat. We only get a few hours though, so we're going to make the best of it. Bit nipply, but it's time to do a dip. You think?
Definitely.
Are you guys gonna come?
No.
Come on. I can leave the pregnant lady all alone.
I don't even have my swim trunks.
Alright, I'll go by myself. Ready? Let's go. Oh, schlep rock, no! Talk too much. Alright, we'll wait. Holy shit. That's cold. Living that cold water dip life.
You got it, Jenny.
Holy shit. Alright. Ooh. Woo. That's cold. It's refreshing. It's so cold. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. The babies loved it.
You back up with the belly. Oh yeah.
All right, cold water dip. I feel better actually. It's not that cold once you get out. Well, we finally got a beautiful day for boating. It's about 68, 69 degrees, and hopefully we're going to be able to take a dip today, but we shall see. I'm already cold and I'm not... You got it.
Or I don't know if you can do.
It's not that bad.
Now I'm definitely gonna get it.
It is that bad, Jennifer. Count me down.
3, 2,
Wait, can you just count down from 5?
5, 4,
Jump in at 3.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god. Come back out!
Hungry.
No, I have to.
Coming back.
No, Kaylee, you gotta stand for a minute.
Oh, Jenny, I can't.
Soren's turn.
Terrible idea.
I'll give this to you. No whining, no crying. Okay?
Yep.
Oh. Fudge bumpers.
You got it, baby.
That shit in the snow.
My legs are really warm right now.
Oh,
All right, Kaylee, come here.
Okay, here, I'm going off altitude.
You okay?
Betty.
You coming back in?
oh my God.
It hurts, doesn't it?
Aubrey?
Hey, that's my sock. My sock's getting wet.
How'd it go?
That's great.
Aubrey.
If you're an ice cube, it's perfect.
We have a second sip.
It's kind of hard to make sure you catch the tail end of that ladder.
Ladder suck.
Yeah, it doesn't really stand still. Holy shit.
All right, I got 30 seconds.
We leave in 10.
All right. Oh. Hey, there's Dad. He's coming right for us.
Oh yeah, you better swim clear.
It's okay once you're in.
I disagree.
I'm gonna try to stay in for 2 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know what the depth is here. How was it? How was your dip experience?
God, that was good.
Tell the viewers at home all about it.
All right, it's shallow because I hit something. Whew. All right, I was able to stay in for a minute and a half. A little bit better than yesterday. And we got Kaylee and Goran to come in with us. They stayed in for about, I don't know, 15 seconds apiece. 5, Kaylee is saying. Whew, I might try to do 2 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. We were getting a little shallow and my foot hit a rock. Or the Loch Ness Monster.